It's wild here in Nanjing because everywhere you go, there's a shopping center and they're either all restaurants, all shopping places, or both. And literally, it's all shopping and food. So, what is this? They said it was called skin. Oh, it's tofu skin?
Yes.
I love this. Look at this. That's the head?
Yes.
Oh my
You ate
god.
it before?
No.
You want to try this?
Have you?
No.
Go for it. For you, go.
I'm afraid.
Oh, okay, I'll eat it. I'm finally done with training and today is Wednesday and I get the whole day to do whatever I want, so I'm gonna go shopping. And I have Liam with me today, if you'll say hi. And she's gonna take me around and the first thing we're gonna do is go to Pop Mart to go get some labubu. We're here, another Pop Mart to look for labubu. And we're back to have more labubu and I hope you can buy it. Can you buy it or is all...
You can buy it. It's only for display.
The reason why I chose this mall and the mall's name is IFC is because it's one of the most fanciest malls and because of this. If you look around me, it's flowers, and this is the restaurant that I went to last time when I was in Shanghai. What they do is they have their own floral department and they use the flowers that they arrange and they put it into their drinks and their foods. I am at Tomacado and this is the one in Nanjing. And one of the things that I really love about them is that their menu is like a book. So when you open it, it's like a magazine, tells you about the different flowers, the different cuisines that they have. And then this is the actual menu and it is quite thick. So the first time I came here, I didn't know that you needed to scan this QR code through WeChat to order. And this menu looks pretty much the same as last time. All right, we have our first dish. It's a salad course. It looks like there's avocado, there's tomatoes, croutons, edamame, radish, cabbage, garbanzo beans. And what is this?
Pumpkin.
And an egg, a poached egg.
Come back with a handstand.
You want to go in and see it? So we're in a Pilates studio. And there's a private room. So all this is private, and these are all the teachers?
These are teachers.
Okay.
The chair and yoga.
Okay. And there's a shower or whatever it is.
Yes.
And there's reformers. What is that girl wearing in that dress? Do you take pictures with her, or does she just dress nice?
Just nice.
The one in the black?
No. She take a picture. This.
Yeah, you want to shop? We're gonna go to the chocolate museum because it's hot outside. Wait, is this all made out of chocolate?
Yes.
Wow. This is all made out of chocolate.
Chocolate too? No.
That's crazy. So we have Jordan, and then they have Xiaodan.
Yes.
All right, Xiaodan. We're currently about to get tickets to go to a Confucius temple. Where are we at right now? Xuanwu. So this is a temple?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is something that you wear over your head.
Yes.
And that goes around your neck. And then the blue is from the feather of a bird.
Yeah.
Wow. Rich people wear this?
Yes. Very rich. This is like bra.
A bra.
Uh-huh.
Okay, yeah. So that's where the neck is?
Mm-hmm.
And this is the arm. Yeah, it goes through here. Earrings and necklaces?
Yes.
It looks very heavy.
Yes. Very, very heavy.
but rich.
Yes, only very rich.
So in this area, I didn't know. I thought this was just a bunch of stores that people rent, but they actually live upstairs. I'm at a place that I can't pronounce, but it's a major street, and I think it's called Xinjiekou Street. And we're about to go see a. How much money did they spend? $50,000 to make a fancy toilet. That's what they call it here in China, and it's located in this building. And here we go. Each floor has a fancy toilet, and each of them costs 50,000 USD. Okay, so we're at the first floor washroom, and this is the first place we're going.
I don't understand when people sit.
Here?
Yeah.
Because they're waiting for their friend. So we have a car here. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna go in there?
I will go over there.
Oh. Yeah, but you just.
Oh my god, sorry.
Okay, so they got ties. This is pretty cool. And then you have the toilet.
Female, I can go.
Yeah.
But they have more.
Wow, this is kind of cool. Yeah, I think it gets better as you go up. I would make my Pilates studio look like this. Really? No. There's a nursing room. Now we're on the third floor. No, we're on the fourth floor. I feel quite awkward going into restrooms and not using it.
Japan style.
Okay. Japanese style. Cool. Is this your first time here?
No.
You've been here before?
Yeah.
These are door handles? These are like
No.
door handles.
No.
What is it? Bathroom number 4. No way.
Piano.
Oh my god. Look, someone's playing a piano. That's dude. Who wants the is it just some random guy playing?
Yeah.
Just somebody playing?
Yeah. It's not one person just been playing.
Whoa. That's cool. This one looks a lot different.
Very different.
Very different?
Yeah, very.
All right, just go. Oh. This is really cool. I guess it's kind of like the jungle.
Next is the best one. Always.
There is no toilet.
I think.
We can always look at the menu. So what are these?
Why? Word.
What kind of words?
书法. More art.
Like poetry?
Yes.
I don't like the furniture.
In here?
Yeah.
Okay. You sure? In
Yes,
here?
yes. Yeah, 2 at the bar. In the corner.
I really think this
Okay, so we got a highball, a Coke. You got soup. You tried natto. We're gonna try some beef tongue.
Yes.
Foie gras, love that. Fish, salmon. I don't know what any of these things are. And okay, that's good. Looks good?
Yeah.
What's this?
Some tea. Yeah, like this.
Got it.
You pay the money.
Okay, cool. And I love how you can just scroll through everything. And then if you want to see it, you just click on it. It gives you like a bigger picture. You know a very what? I like this. Look. This is cool. We all know Forever 21 back home, and this place is called One Moment. Looks like the same thing. Done eating sushi, and we're gonna head over to an area to get on some boats for the night. It's gonna be really pretty. The Drunk Baker. We're here to get her matcha cake, and let's see if they have it. So we're gonna get that one, right? The matcha yuzu. That one's really interesting. Seaweed meat floss, salted egg yolk, taro black sticky rice cake. Pork jerky meat floss milk toast. That one looks kind of interesting. Matcha milk toast, walnuts, red bean. This looks amazing. Bread, oh, coriander ciabatta, taro, salted egg ciabatta. A lot of these things look pretty good. Oh, French sausage. That one looks good. Matcha mochi egg tart. Let's zoom in on that one. Oh, look at this baguette. Oh, I would love that with some cheese and some pate. And then here is what we're here for. That blue one looks a little interesting. Coconut matcha jasmine milk. Which one did we get? We got the matcha yuzu.
Yes, yes.
I'm not a sweets person, but wow, like matcha tiramisu, mint chocolate tiramisu strawberry cake, salted cheese strawberry cake. Oh, that one looks good. The dark chocolate salted cheese salt bread. They all look really good. Dark chocolate milk loaf. Oh, I'm out of it. I need sleep. Raisin cheese milk toast. Raisin cheese ciabatta. Oh, that looks really good. Pistachio cheese baguette. And then mint chocolate cheese baguette. Getting some ice cream. What flavor is this?
Mango.
Mango ice cream. And that's matcha, of course. Yes. All right. 谢谢. All right. It's really good. Cheers. Now we're at the Qinhuai River. This is where we were originally on a morning, and we're back here so that we can go on a boat. We're gonna be going on a 30 to 40 minute ride around the what is it? Qinhuai River. What is she trying to sell? Beautiful. And lucky number 21. People fall.
状元皇冠而建，当时叫做皇宫桥。微山雕刻的一座青铜雕像，我国唐代大诗仙李白。李白曾赋诗一首，经由我国著名书法家林徽因所书。 学习琴棋书画、诗词。左前方红灯笼高悬，那里是春代阁，寓意春色常驻此阁。在其之上的协秀阁是繁荣州公园的最高点，于此登高望远，为诸位轻歌一曲。
I guess our mouth is moving. Sorry, I'm in your face. How come you're not taking any videos?